Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these designs. They actually say the exact same thing, which is the word music. This one is just done stylistically to look like music, or this is done in the regular sort of circle-y style. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to this design and how it says what it says. So in this script, you turn words and letters into circles using this key, and consonants are done by combining one of these four letter stems, either a divot, a deep divot, or a shallow divot, or a completed circle, so a completed circle inside the word circle, or a circle on the line of the word circle, with dot modifiers or line modifiers. And dots can be big, they can be little, they can be outside, they can be inside the circle, so long as the right number of dots is around the circle that is the letter stem, then it is in the right column. So anyway, lines count where they end on a letter stem. So 1, 2, 3 lines end on that letter, meaning it's in the third 3-line column. 1, 2, 3 lines at the top, meaning there are 3 line modifiers attached to that consonant stem. So this is also in that third line, 1, 2, 3 lines. So an S and an M are both 3-line modifier letters. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to how this here also says that. This is actually done in a font that a friend of mine made. Their name is impronounceable, literally, on Reddit or Discord, and they made this really cool font that turns regular words into the bare bones version of the script, and then it takes like artistic, I guess, calligraphy puzzle solving to make the designs look like this afterwards. Anyway, here we have our start marker on this design, telling you where to start reading, which would be the bottom, because reading order is bottom counterclockwise. So we read starting here with this letter, and this letter is a completed circle stem, which is good because an M is a completed circle. And it has 1, 2, 3 lines ending on it. And lines that pass through letters do not count. So this is the line for the U, which is radiating outwards. So vowels can go on to consonants, and you read the consonant before the vowel. So this is the M with the U going outwards. M, U, M, U. And here we have our M, U. This M has 1, 2, 3 little lines here. So these lines are all part of the design itself. And this line coming from this little vowel is a U because it goes outwards. So that would be the U. Then we continue around. And then we have our next letter, which is this divot stem, like a bite taken out of a cookie, meaning we're in this row. And there are 1, 2, 3 lines there, which is good because there's 3 lines there, and 1, 2, 3 lines here. So that would be the S, and then the I has a line going inwards. So this line can go inwards towards the middle of our word circle, and then this I is not attached. So vowels, it's your choice if they're attached or not attached. I chose to put the S attached to the I in this one, but this is an I by itself, like that. And then last but not least, we have a C. And a C has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So 4-dot column, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and this C here has 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I just put a little extra little stem on the dots. So dot modifiers, if there's lines ending on them, that's fine. I just made these into music notes. It's vowels or completed circles where the lines, you can't really add lines and have them touch without them being part of the transcription. Actually, in my original, I had a little line coming from the I here. Then it was a big debate whether I wanted the line going here or if I wanted this line here. And I decided I wanted this line, so that way I could have 5 lines in my staff, because there are 5 lines in a music staff. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye.